Good morning, everybody. Time for Pick of the Morning. We have some great photos from you today. The first one I'd love to share with you is from Josh Begin in Santa Barbara. Look at this beautiful picture he captured, not this last weekend, but definitely one that I thought was great to share with you to show what happens when we don't have fog over us overnight and when the sun sets. Now, in Lompoc, the Lompoc Youth Theater is actually rehearsing for their production of Hairspray, which begins and goes through this weekend. So here's a photo of them out there in their beautiful weather, enjoying it and practicing some moves. That sounds like a cool production. Of course, if you, your community, your friends have pictures, send them in. Be our Pick of the Morning. Send them in on Facebook, Twitter, or shoot me an email. I'd love to give you a shout out. You know how much fun we like to have with your photos. The temperatures right now are a little bit on the milder side. That's because we have this blanket of fog just sitting over us in Santa Barbara, as well as in Ojai and Santa Ynez. We are seeing the fog everywhere. The good news about it is it won't impact your travel that much in most areas because the visibilities are not that bad. Except in one spot, we have seen visibilities drop now to 5, actually 2 now from Slow and Lompoc. Those visibilities are now down to 5 miles, so that may slow you a little bit down if you're traveling on the 101. But we will see sunshine as we get into the afternoon, mostly from the south coast into Ventura County. But we'll see some clouds hug the coast on the central coast. This is 2 o'clock. We are still expecting to see some of that fog stick around, so it'll be a mix of sun and clouds on the central coast. But then overnight into tomorrow, we will see those clouds push in and deep into the valleys, and even in Ventura County, you'll notice the fog rolls back in, and even parts of the Santa Barbara County south coast as we get into this time tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at your weekend forecast. 1 day away, and we are going to see a beautiful weekend. The Santa Barbara County Fair. We have the Pride Festival this weekend. Lots of events going on. I'll share some of them tomorrow in my weekend picks, but the weather is actually cooperating pretty nicely for it. We'll see temperatures climb into the mid to upper 70s this weekend in Santa Maria. And if you are living in San Luis Obispo, look at that forecast. We're going to see 80s across the boards all weekend into the beginning of next week. We're just going to have that morning fog and afternoon sunshine pattern sitting with us. We're in July, but we're still seeing June gloom. That's the same in Lompoc as well as in other areas. Ventura, you're going to see temperatures. That big surf rodeo is this weekend. Looking good for you. The water may be a little bit cold, but at least if you're going to be a spectator or enjoy the music, we'll see those temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. But the 5 cities a little bit cooler until we get into the weekend. That's when we're going to see those temperatures rebound to 70 degrees.